Are you feeling mad? Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling triggered by people, by the world, by your dog sitting next to you on the couch, snoring and farting? Just saying. Maybe that's my life. TMI. Well, forget that noise. Literally. Forget it. Forget that noise. Literally. Be still and surrender. Welcome to my channel. I'm Melody. Thanks for being here today, and special welcome to you if you're new, and thanks for coming back if you're returning. Third video in my self-healing series. This one is about being still and surrendering. There's lots of emotion going on in the world right now. There's anger, there's grief, there is conflict, there's worry. There's old stuff coming back up and there's new stuff surfacing. So what do? I'm right there with you. Here is what my guidance has been telling me. Because this week I felt a whole lot of stuff. There's just a lot of emotions. There are all sorts of things we're working through. And if you're watching this channel, chances are you're kind of like me. So here's the guidance I was receiving. Be still and just surrender to it. If you're a fighter, if you're an activist, if you're a person who feels things deeply and intensely, you're not going to like that. And I know I didn't particularly like it. Meditation is usually hard for me because my mind is so active. So here's a tip for you and for myself this week. This was my guidance. Just go outside, be in nature, be still, and surrender. What does that mean? Just sit with that emotion. I read this week that it takes 1 minute and 25 seconds to let an emotion pass you by unless you're reactivating it. So if you're going through some challenging feelings, stop and listen to yourself. Stop and listen. Go outside and breathe. Therein lies the surrender, because you're not acting on that emotion. You're not going to create conflict or strife with those that you love. Stop, go outside, breathe, and listen. Listen to your thoughts. It's a Buddhist principle to observe your thoughts like clouds floating past you. I heard that from Pema Chodron long time ago. Observe your thoughts as if they were passing clouds, and be in that stillness of the in-between moment, the place in between your thoughts. Be in that place, get in that place, and just breathe. And if you're like me, your thoughts keep coming, and they will. Don't worry about it. Just observe them and watch them go. See if you can get into that place and get into that space of being still and surrendering for just a minute at a time. Just a minute at a time. And that'll make all the difference. You're breathing, slow inhales, hold it for a moment, slow exhale, inhaling, and slowly exhaling. All of that is going to calm your body, balance your neurochemistry. You're going to close back down that lid. If your amygdala flipped because you got angry, woo! You had the presence of mind to go outside though. Stop, be still, breathe, listen to yourself, observe your thoughts, get to that place in between your thoughts where you can really feel like those thoughts aren't you. They're not really you. That's not your soul to bag on your kids or to be in anger with your husband. We love our families, right? Or to chew out your best friend or to get on to your parents. We love our families. We love our friends, right? To want to be angry at your dog. Man, animals are unconditional love, right? We're just all picking up on some of the crazy energy right now. Be still. Notice and name the good things around you. I've got Sister Avocado. We've got blue sky right here. I've got birds singing. I'm safe. I've got water to drink. I've got electricity in my home. I've got food in my belly. Name the good things around you. Calm yourself back down. Are you lucky to have that fur baby that's farting and snoring on the couch next to you? Yeah, we're lucky to have our animals. Are we lucky to have our spouses, even if they get onto us about something or other, or even if they annoy you? Are you lucky to have them? Yes. Are you lucky to have your parents? Yes. Are we lucky to have our kids? Oh yeah. So let's take those couple of minutes, let's be still and know that there really is goodness around us. Let's observe those thoughts, realize that they're not the true reality, it's just a thought. It's just a passing moment, it's just a reaction. Find that still, quiet place inside yourself where the strength really is. And stay there for just a minute at a time. I invite you to participate with me in the 5-minute meditation challenge. I'm doing this for myself, self-imposed, and man, it's good. It's so good, it's so needed. I always connect back to Source and my higher self. I pray, I'm in gratitude, but quieting my mind is kind of hard. And yet it's the thing that's helping most right now. So just because it's difficult, don't run away from it. Be still and surrender. I'm sending you so much love. If you've liked this video, if this is helpful, subscribe, like it, hit that notification bell for more. I publish weekly on Wednesdays. We're all in this together. All right, bye-bye. Oh, poor thing, she's having a hard day. Here I am next to my favorite tree again, my avocado. She won't tell the others that she's my favorite. Hello, hello. Hello.